What is going on, YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I'll be showing you how to integrate ln x dx, or the natural log of x. And this may seem kind of weird at first, but for this we are going to use integration by parts. Now you may be thinking kind of like, I don't understand how to do that because you only have one thing, ln x. Normally for integration by parts you need two things, and you're right, and there actually are two things. One of them is just kind of in disguise. So u is going to be ln x, and your dv is going to be 1. And it'll make sense why in a little bit. So then your du equals 1 over x, and v equals x. And the formula I like to use is uv, so x ln x, minus the integral of v du, so then x times 1 over x dx, and that can be simplified to the integral, so x divided by x is just 1, so we can just say the integral of dx, so then you get x ln x minus x plus c. So that's really it for this problem. The main thing is just realizing that for an integration by parts problem, you can use 1 as one of your parts. But other than that, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question about something I did or an idea for a future video. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.